please, these young brothers, sisters, please think more seriously how to build happy world. Time always moving. So no force can stop that. Time moving, changing, it's nature. Now the question is whether we utilize time properly or not. And for that, it's the past, we can't do anything. But the future depends on present. So we can make opportunity to create future more peaceful, more happy, or difficult future. Now, in that respect, the generation of 21st century, you are the key sort of people who create this century, more happier century or difficult century. So the generation of 21st century, you have the opportunity and also responsibility. And also the remaining 21st century, like me, we won't see, but you have to live. So therefore, it is your own interest to try to have happier century. So the generation of 21st century is very, very important. So please, these young brothers, sisters, please think more seriously how to build happy world, happy century.